this small videograph about the step well at this grand temple called Trikuteshwara Temple at Gadak. People are aware of the temple, but there is a very beautiful step well or a pushkarni or a temple tank which lies behind this grand temple. This is a view of the step well. It is around 30 meters long and almost 8 to 9 meters wide. Beautiful step well which was used to provide fresh and clean water to the people living around this temple premises. However, today the step well is totally ignored.
मैं क्यों समझा रहा हूं तुमको? क्यों समझा रहा हूं? पागल हूं मैं? भूसा भरा पड़ा है मेरे दिमाग में.
Condition of the step well is not good. It appears that for a long time, not much renovation or any attempt to clean this area has been taken at hand. The entire area surrounding the step well is full of wild vegetations. These trees which have grown inside the step well are damaging the walls as well as the steps, the temple step well. In the backyard, it is nothing but dirt. Here we can see the temple in front of us, grand and beautiful temple which led to the new architectural form called the Gadak School of Architecture. However, lot of garbage and dirt has been thrown by the people who visit this temple here.
हम इसी तरह जीते रहेंगे. ऊपर वाला भी ऊपर से देखता होगा तो उसे शर्म आती होगी. सोचता होगा मैंने सबसे खूबसूरत चीज बनाई थी, इंसान. इंसान जियो भाई जियो, जैसे चाहिए वैसे जियो.
The walls of the temples of this step well need to be taken care. The huge vegetation which we see all around this beautiful step well as well as inside the temple walls need to be immediately removed. This is not something which requires a lot of money or a lot of time. It is only a matter of involvement of the local people. We can see there are large number of buildings which surround the boundary of this beautiful temple. People are throwing dirt and garbage from their houses, from their back windows into this temple complex, which is highly unfortunate. This is a small attempt to bring the actual condition of this beautiful step well among the citizen of Karnataka, the city of Gadak, as well as the people of this country, so that some responsible person, some local leadership can take up this issue and get this bargad and neem trees which have grown all around the temple to be removed. It is a matter of carrying out a shramdan or a voluntary work on a given Saturday or a Sunday.
वतन के लिए किसी को कोई हमदर्दी नहीं है. आए और गए, खेल खत्म. क्यों जिए मालूम नहीं, क्यों मरे मालूम नहीं.
This whole area which we see can definitely be converted into a grand and a beautiful garden where the children can come, the parents and the grandparents can come and enjoy the beauty of this grand and beautiful Pushkarni or wow, or as they say, Kalyani. It is high time that we take up the issue of cleaning this grand Pushkarni, remove all the vegetation, make it grand and pristine again. Thank you for watching.
क्यों बातें कर रहा हूँ इन पत्थरों से? हम इसी तरह जीते रहेंगे, है ना? जियो भाई जियो, जैसे चाहिए वैसे जियो.